There was another rejection today by the Ohio Supreme Court of a congressional redistricting map. This one affects races in 2024, but the pushback is creating more tension in Columbus and potentially at the ballot box. Emma Henderson here now with more on how we got here. Emma, good evening.
Hi, Russ. So Ohioans voted to create the Ohio Redistricting Commission back in 2015. The goal was to ensure that people elected to represent Ohio at the state and federal level represent the politics of Ohio fairly. Right now, it's creating a standoff between the commission and the Ohio Supreme Court.
It's kind of a game of chicken where the redistricting commission has been doing only as much as it thought it needed to do.
Case Western constitutional law professor Jonathan Enton expects this gamesmanship to continue, meaning a cycle of the Ohio Redistricting Committee putting out a map only to have them shot down by the Ohio Supreme Court. It's happened multiple times for the Ohio legislative map, which creates districts for the Ohio House and Senate, and now twice for the congressional maps, which create districts for those who will represent us in D.C.
So far, both the redistricting commission majority and the Supreme Court majority have refused to blink. And we, the voters of Ohio, are the ones who are paying the price.
There are 7 members of the redistricting committee, including the governor and secretary of state. That makes 5 Republicans and 2 Democrats. This year, Ohioans are already voting using a legislative map that was deemed unconstitutional, but the best option out of all of the maps struck down by the Ohio Supreme Court.
We should all, as Ohio voters, be really frustrated by that, because these measures were adopted as reforms, and basically the people who were supposed to act under those reforms have simply failed to do their job.
Professor Enton has painted this picture of a stalemate right now when it comes to drawing maps and says he wouldn't be surprised if the issue is brought to the Supreme Court, but says we may also see changes to our redistricting process because North Carolina already has a similar case in front of that U.S. Supreme Court. Russ?
Okay, Emma Henderson, thank you.